Oh yes, oh yes, oh yeah. It's the body. You want to tell me? Oh yes, guys. Oh yes, my beautiful people in the building. Oh yes, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building, guys. Oh yes, I appreciate you a lot for being there and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Oh yes, guys. Oh, yes, my beautiful people. So, God bless you all. I appreciate you all for being there, for subscribing. Oh, yes, my people. Thank you very much, guys. So, now, so my beautiful people get matter I want to talk about today. Oh, use my touch and small, my beautiful people. Not to spend long time. Yes. Let me talk. Okay. I need check something. Okay, guys. So, now, so my beautiful people, God bless you all. I appreciate now scars my throat. So good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from this Vera TV program in the building. If today is your first time, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to Vera TV program, and please don't forget to give your comments below. And this very video is going to um Pursue the Enter House TV. Please, today is your first time visiting Pursue the Enter House TV. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to give thumbs up to this video, guys. So I appreciate you all. Thank you all for being there, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Mm, 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 mm. Oh yes, it's going to pursue the Enter House. We don't dey pursue the Enter House. So I'm not saying I win now. We dey talk at the way it be. We know they do we know they do magumagu, we know they do ojoro. We be shine your shine crew when it be say. We be people when it be say we dey shine every day, we dey shine, we dey glinter. And now hater, now all those haters now they can't know. You understand? Now all those haters now they can't know because not be our fault. Oh, don't find, don't find. Oh yes, so they come here just oh don't wo not be our fault. Oh yes, so oh don't find, don't find. Oh don't be wo not be our fault. Yes, guys. So I thank you and appreciate you and I love this Vera TV program. Please don't fail to subscribe to Vera TV, Pursue the Enter House TV. This very video is going to Pursue the Enter House TV, guys. Oh yes. How do I look? How do I look? How do I look? So now, so my people, we want to talk about today. It's about what they go on for social media, you understand? Because now, no say this social media of 18. People they now they fake pass and life not better than they found they want draw go back. Waiting many of those people don't know. All those things when they do not go help them. It will never help them, it will never carry them go anywhere. AKA Lolekia. So people will think, why did I hate Lolekia? It's not that I hate her. If they see claim, say I hate her, no problem. Because when I know why me hate that woman, yes. When I know why I say that woman, the way she they behave. Jealousy, man. Jealousy, let us bring it down. It's too much for some people. It's too much for some people. Not be evil say your own person when you want to don't eat for the same place. You are looking for a way to bring her down. Say they talk, say, now so this one. You are being in that place, this woman not great work. Because even they thought, they'll say, Vera, don't start again. I don't understand. Okay, whole passport, driving license. Now you take the shot. Who no go fit do driving license? Who no go fit do who no go fit still get the passport? Eh? Nobody no go get this passport. Everybody go still get her. No be an instant call the use and tell the chat here, no hear what. Make why the passport is useless in your hand. All useless, pata any no nothing. She get nothing when she use that passport they do. If you not ask her now, what it be a replan this 2021 now, when everybody now they struggle, they look for better life, they look of how this like this year now will take better. She did there now, she did form studio. Studio where now get her, studio where not get it. You know, sister and jealousy they worry you. Now you want to do studio. It already leave you, it don't leave you. Oh swear, no swear, no swear, look here. This message is for you and the dinner again. Una too day heartless, wicked. Let's bring her down. Let's bring her down. Let's bring her down. You know they see they call yourself, sit down, say since you know they do this thing, you want to bring person down. You not going to even bring the person down. You no go even sit down, make you reason your life, make you think your life, say, it's like this thing when they do, so God self not like am. It's like this thing when they do, so God self not want am. If they draw you go back, if they make you they go step, make you they get step back, if they make you they get disappointment and failure. You no go sit down, reason and say, this one, who you say you want they draw, go back. Oh, you want make they cry. Oh, you want make it they suffer. Make it they pay me, see where they laugh and God they lift up high. You no go physically call yourself and advise yourself, say, it's like this thing that I'm doing, it's like this thing is not good for you. So that you will change away from those evil. Now you want to do studio. Before you told us that she is jealousy you, she is copying you. Now she is not copying you. And now you are the one that is copying her all over the world. Now they can see. And you need to go and hide your face in shame and pick your broken pieces and pack them together. If it will work for you, that is your own cup of tea. I'm here to give you a little bit of advice. Go and look for a life. Go and look for your own life. Stand on your ground as a woman. Because look at all the advice you are giving to women. And all is counterfeit. Why all take the counterfeit be say, you now when you say they give person advice. You say person they jealous you. You say person and they copy you. Now you call with the copy person. Now people will be even get believe for you. Now they will say you are so stupid. That you don't even have say of your own. You don't even have anything. It's really copy you are doing around all over everywhere. Then now we have sense to even run away from you. Because why? You refuse to stand for the truth. You refuse to let go. You refuse to move on with your life and face your life and build your life up once again. You are still there looking for a way to drop her down. I go drop her down. That fast. You know, suppose me only want to get down. Me, they imagine people ain't go come outside today say you'll be better person. Now, those people, they are so stupid. You ain't come outside say fast what our big mommy get say not be only one go get that fast, not be where you there alive. So now such people, and you are still the same person that come outside say the time when they make all those things, so you know you forget saying all those things they know. You forget saying that all those things now you know and you were there. Hiding under the green snake, under the green grass. Hiding there, claiming what the hand go meet her. At the end, all your plan no one can work. Now you say, no, this one, since it not be work, you will come out physical and can't do one. At the end, all the physical when they do now, no one get head for sure. No one get head. As you can see, all the physical when they do now, they go here, they go there. No one agree work for you, my darling. Now you need to know that God is on her side. You need to know that now this is the time for you to move on, Olekia. You need to know that all those things you are doing is not waving her. It's even promoting her. And now we come out again. My big mommy Monica Ambrose, toilet for you. I respect you. I give you the respect. Don't you ever, not fall our hand. Wanna tell our mommy Monica, may she not fall our hand. May she not reply to this witch. Because this woman is looking seeking for attention. So that people will come and watch her. I Ghana people say attention. And you will never see that attention anymore. She have her own topic. She do her own program. She do her own thing. So you say you don't do saga, you do your own thing, you advise women, then go move ahead with your own. Because she is not going to come and listen to your fucking nonsense or to even reply you a bit. Never. It will not be possible. She will never reply you. She will never come and say, hey, what do you they talk there? We dey here to they give you conk. We the Ogbonge people, we dey here, me and dey here to they give you conk for head. If you think you will do all those things to seek for our permission, to seek for our distance, so that people will constantly view you, you will see come out tomorrow, reply, 40 audio. Almighty 40 audio. Shameless she goes. 40 audio, 40 almighty audio. Almighty audio, when you play audio, now people say, yeah, this one will be audio when our big mommy fair play. Nothing change from inside now. Tricky somebody. Tricky, and you say, go say, person, they tricky. Now she, they tricky. Pass. Why you guru mago, she know how to mago. You are the useless ashewo prostitute call herself a day and witch. Look at her life. Government not they support her. At the end, and government they feed her. All the bastard when she born, now government ain't pay her hospital bill. You Lolekia, you when they talk. Oh, Jekile, government money. All your 3 children when you born, not be government pay. Nah, Alaribe when you don't beat and hide down on that bed. Now she can't pay. I be now, wear bulletproof, wear a parachute. Now that man pay. Because before you come tease person, you will first go use and raise yourself. Whether the thing still relate to you, or it come close to you, or you two self still have that kind of thing for body. You're supposed to know that. Or if you two have that kind of thing for body. Because you refuse to learn. You refuse to stand for where the truth dey. Because of hatred, because of Babylon, because of say, let's bring her down. You now refuse. You don't even have sense of reasoning anymore. You when they just say government money, those are children, is it not government? School when they go, not be there. Everything when they do, they sick. You are the one that is sick. Oh. Because it's obvious for people now for how many years you cannot work. You not feel work one day. They're not going to say that you be the sickler. They're not going to say that you be the sicky. They're not going to know now say now you really the sick. They want the turn for another person head. So better sit down and reason your life, how your life is going to work for you. You are the useless in the thing and wish Bianca. Bianca, you know the share. I buy share now, you come out, you go buy share. I do anniversary now you want to do 1 year anniversary. Do marriage anniversary. Copy. Bianca, don't still go copy me anniversary. Now they break when they do anniversary. Why you not show your husband? You they do anniversary, you not post your husband picture. Now this is on get sense. Just to see you some fine view. You they do anniversary. Why you not show your husband? When many people they do anniversary, 1 year anniversary, 3 years anniversary, marriage. They're not they show their husband. Why you call the do anniversary? Not but show your husband. Sticky, useless people. Una this on our guessance. Una don't feel deceive us this 2021. No. Una don't feel deceive us. Eh? You they do anniversary. Bianca they do anniversary. Pega on that flower share wo. You they do anniversary. You not show your man. How many of you can do the anniversary? Now only want to do the marry yourself. Now let you marry yourself like people are share one in mama. Bianca they then again they be magbana useless thinking people. When I just want to feel bring us down. We are shine your shine crew. We be shine your shine gang. We be shine your shine follow. We shine your shine fast. Oh, shameless she goat. You come and say they do 1 year anniversary because I see do 1 year anniversary on my YouTube. When I call on anniversary call the refund. If I do not know the copy person, maybe not see copy now. I not see copy, they're not gonna let you do now say 1 year anniversary or 7 months YouTube anniversary. It not let you let una do. Now part on a call they tell they find how na one call they do how they mu. Share people. If they do anniversary. More na ask whether na today they break. Na day break when they do anniversary. More na ask whether na day break when Bianca they do anniversary. They do anniversary, not show your husband. Meanwhile, you say you get man, not be only you want they did the marriage. Now man and woman they see for marriage. Am I not right? And then you are doing 1 year anniversary, they show your man. You people think you are smart. We are not smart anything. We are not smart. We smart personal. We get sense personal. Shameless she goats people. Say the then I wish now. See her life. Asha one no mama 70 years used to totally pay 70,000 euro give mama fortune. At the end they say now her mother-in-law she want put the frustration of our body. Now your mother-in-law can come out there. Now your mother-in-law can come abroad. Asha wo. You not both they reply me the then I wish. You know the both they reply me. Bring your light be. Bring your heart strength be. Since it's not government that is paying for you, you think you can come here and deceive our women? You think you can come here the day and wish I share one last lady? You think if you come here can't deceive our women? I lie. Now me they beat that as a fly with the shop now. More booty and all where the day I get Lolekia and Bianca. Now me they beat that as a fly with the shop. Now I share one be my uncle. Shameless she goat. Say on our life now bad back now they go see your first channel now bear over there because of your bad attitude. They do juju, they want me, they bring people come down. You can't say you go succeed. At the end, and now your channel go down. When you and your friend be one plan, may they take drop my channel. Inside May, now your channel now you bell. May now we complete 1 year when your Africa Jama last day the channel take go down the huemu. Now I will tell you so be all headed the worry. As Lolekia now say, Mommy Monica matter not Italian. Oh, boy, who emotionally care ahead. Yes, emotionally care ahead because you know why? That one don't even care. That one don't move on with her life. That one don't they do her own thing. But Lolekia say no, she no go get peace, oh, she no go get rest of mind, she no go fit do your own thing. Do your own thing and move on with your life. This life now, do your own, I do my own. This one will not marry the same husband, much say na the same husband, na the same cassava one at the fall. Now you see cause quarrel. No. Una not do this, una not marry the same man, una not date the same one marriage. No. Everybody day your own. Why now you don't want day your own? You don't want get peace of mind because of jealousy, because of wahala. You don't get peace. Looking for a way to bring somebody down when you know you are not God. You cannot even create a fly. So those when they talk, this one, no, I can't run. You not get paper. You not get paper, passport. Passports now your own. Your passport not be your own. Who get passport? People when get passport and they give you. Now the country for still run come on. Country when they give passport, you run come on for them. So why are you coming here now to come and be disturbing our peace? Disturbing our peace of mind. Lolekia, shame on you. I dey shame for you. You and the day na get we movement. Why I dey shame for una? I dey shame for una. I dey shame for una. I dey shame for una campaign. Aye. You know, no when they use. I know you just go to the wash our big mommy Monica. Because of because of let's bring her down. When you know you are not God, when you know you have not created human being, when you know you cannot even create art, you are not looking for a way to bring somebody down. You not think when you do that it will work for you. You not think when you do it will work for you. How is it going to work? It cannot work that way. Things don't work that way. Because you are not God. You are not God that give it that power. You are not trying to break her down. At the end, you claim innocent that, hey, I don't want to do that time. Oh, I don't want to do this that time. Oh. Look at the shame. That you are Laribe, you don't beat and lock her for that bed. Now that they find another, they don't see her. And Laribe come out for that bed. Oh, look at the man. Look at is crazy. You people think she is okay. When you look at her doings, you're supposed to know that she is not okay. You're supposed to know that she is not where she is not okay. Yeah? You're supposed to know that. She's not okay. She is sick. She is sick. And they have problem. All the things now can't go ahead. She not can feel know herself again. You people may look her online video saying she is doing well. She's not doing well. She's dying. She's going slowly. Because as she is now, she don't need all those things. But because of her jealousy spirit, she cannot move on. She cannot move on and let bygone be bygone. That is her Lolekia problem right now. She cannot let bygone be bygone. Let her move forward and forget. She cannot. Because all I all say, you go bring her down. She must bring her down. She must bring her down. That thing don't they worry her. You don't let her know her front from her right. You don't let her know her right from her front. That is her most just problem right now. Eh? That is her own problem. Many people may not understand. She's laughing. Look at the studio she do. When I see studio, when they do, darkness will be light. You be darkness. Says darkness, shadow. See darkness, shadow for your back. To know that you are a darkness. To know that you are a darkness. We are light. We are shine your shine. Anything shine is light. Darkness don't shine. Darkness don't have light. But anything shine is light. Is what that glitter, that beautiful. Now we be. You need to get that into your fucking head. Everywhere you're dark, bro. Everywhere dark. That's what that the Blue said one. That's what our big daddy take do the studio. Shame on una. Shame and disgrace must be on our portion. Enemy wey say not go use eye see your prosperity. He not go open eye make you better. You go pass it back better. And he go blind eye. When he blind eye, that eye when he blind, so not go scan for use and take look his best friend again. Agarudo kioma ruao. I me ona ya ko sioma. Na be loleki eye de na ga bianca so. Agaru if you because of enemy blind eye. Which eye want to see if best friend? He not there now. Because the eye we was supposed to take see. He don't blind because of say he don't want make his enemy better. Now be loleki on and emotionally blind. So guys, time 9. So guys, my baby don't wake up. So guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Yes, so this video is going to pursue the entire TV and it's about Lolekia. Please drop your comment below, like this video, and please subscribe to Pursue the Enter Hearts TV. Thank you all, and I appreciate you all. God bless you as you come in. Thank you so much. I'm about to go right now. Bye 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 bye.